Welcome to Sophisticated Saving. If you're planning a trip soon and want to save money on everything from flights to accommodation, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll explore the top travel websites and apps that will help you find the best deals and make your travel planning smooth and cost-effective. Whether you're booking a last-minute getaway or a long-anticipated holiday, these tools are essential for any savvy traveler. Let's dive in and start saving on your next adventure. Finding the best deals on airfare can be a daunting task, but with the right tools, it becomes much easier. Google Flights and Kayak are two powerful websites that simplify the process. Just enter your departure and destination airports, and these sites will do the rest. They allow you to track prices and notify you via email when the fares drop, ensuring you book at the best possible time. Additionally, both websites offer a feature that shows which days are cheaper to fly, helping you plan your trip around the most affordable dates. Another great tool is Airfare Watchdog, which scours the web for flight deals and alerts you to the best options available. If you haven't decided on your destination, consider signing up for Going, previously known as Scott's Cheap Flights. Their newsletter delivers incredible deals on both domestic and international flights straight to your inbox, often featuring discounts that can save you hundreds of dollars. For real-time updates, follow Twitter handles like @theflightdeal, where you can find timely posts about great flight deals as soon as they appear. Once your flight is booked, staying informed about your travel details is crucial. Websites like flightstats.com are invaluable for this purpose. They provide comprehensive information about flight schedules, including gate changes and layover details. You can also receive live updates on flight delays, helping you plan your trip more efficiently. Another useful site is FlightAware, which tracks and predicts flight delays, giving you the tools to stay ahead of any potential disruptions. For those who want an all-in-one solution, the TripIt app is a fantastic choice. For $49 a year, this app offers a suite of features including alerts for cancellations, delays, and gate changes, often before the airline announces them. TripIt Pro also helps you find alternative flights and better seats and tracks your rewards program points. It's like having a personal travel assistant in your pocket, ensuring your trip goes as smoothly as possible. Accommodation is another major expense when traveling, but there are plenty of websites designed to help you save. Hotels.com is a standout, offering access to hundreds of thousands of properties worldwide. Their rewards program is straightforward. For every 10 nights you book, you earn a free night stay. As a member, you also unlock discounts on select hotels, making it a great tool for frequent travelers. For last-minute deals, Hotel Tonight is an app worth checking out. It specializes in offering low rates for last-minute bookings, perfect for spontaneous trips. Priceline Express Deals is another option that helps you find great prices, but with a twist. You won't know the hotel's name until after you book. This element of surprise can lead to significant savings if you're flexible with your accommodation. TripAdvisor is a must-use site for detailed reviews and ratings on hotels and excursions. It aggregates reviews from travelers around the world, giving you a comprehensive look at your options. Once you find a place you like, TripAdvisor connects you to partner sites like Expedia and Travelocity for booking. Simply click on Check Rates to compare prices across multiple platforms and ensure you get the best deal. Vacation rentals offer a unique and often cost-effective alternative to traditional hotels, especially for groups or longer stays. Websites like VRBO and Airbnb are leaders in this space, providing a wide range of properties to suit any budget or preference. From cozy apartments to luxurious villas, these platforms offer more space and amenities than a hotel room. often at a lower cost for those loyal to Marriott. Marriott Bonvoy's Homes and Villas portfolio includes over 2,000 private homes, combining the comfort of a rental with the reliability of a well-known brand. On the budget end, Hostelworld is an excellent resource for finding affordable accommodation. It lists over 36,000 properties in 178 countries, offering everything from basic dorm rooms to private suites. With reviews and ratings from fellow travelers, you can find a place that meets your needs without breaking the bank. Cruises and vacation packages can also be a great way to save money and simplify your travel planning. CruiseCompete.com is a unique site where travel agencies compete to offer you the best deals in cruises. After setting up an account and specifying your preferences, you'll receive offers from multiple agencies without having to share your personal information up front. For all-inclusive vacation packages, sites like Kayak and TripAdvisor can be incredibly useful. Simply enter your destination and travel dates, and these platforms will compile the best available packages, often including flights, accommodation, and activities. This can be a convenient way to book a comprehensive trip at a discounted rate. When it comes to rental cars, Hotwire often offers some of the best deals by aggregating rates from multiple rental companies, including well-known names like Alamo, Enterprise, and Hertz. Their hot rates feature can provide significant discounts, though you won't know the rental company until after you book. For international rentals, Auto Europe is a great choice, offering vehicles in over 20,000 locations worldwide with 24/7 customer service. AutoSlash is another excellent tool for rental cars. It applies the best available coupons and discount codes to your booking and will even rebook your reservation if a better deal comes along. This ensures you always get the best possible price on your rental car. Traveling by train, especially in Europe, can be both economical and efficient. Rail Europe is a top choice for checking timetables and booking tickets on European train lines. However, for potentially better deals, you might want to book directly through European railway websites, provided you can navigate the language and booking processes. Travel insurance is often an overlooked aspect of trip planning, but it's essential for protecting yourself against unexpected events. Squaremouth allows you to compare policies from multiple providers, ensuring you find the coverage that best fits your needs at the best price. Similarly, InsureMyTrip.com offers a wide range of options, allowing you to filter by specific coverage types and compare costs. Thank you for watching Sophisticated Saving. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance and smart decision making. And we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below.